Mastering, please, making polite requests in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of polite expressions, focusing specifically on the versatile word, please. This simple yet powerful word can work wonders in making your English communication smoother and more polite. So, let's explore how please can make a difference in your conversational English. The word please is an adverb in English that is used as a polite addition to requests, commands, or instructions. It's derived from the phrase, if it pleases you. Its primary purpose is to soften the tone of our speech, making our requests or commands less direct and more polite. In English, please is flexible enough to be used at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Its position does not change the overall meaning, but it might subtly affect the tone. At the beginning of the sentence, please, could you pass me the salt? In the middle of the sentence, could you, please, pass me the salt? At the end of the sentence, could you pass me the salt, please? In everyday conversation, please is most commonly used at the end of the sentence. However, all three placements are correct, and you can use them interchangeably. When giving a command, or using the imperative form, please, is particularly helpful to soften the tone and make it sound less like an order. For instance, compare, open the door, to, please open the door. The addition of please takes the edge off the command, making it more of a request than an order. Whether you're speaking or writing, formal or informal, the word please is an essential tool for making your communication more courteous. It plays a critical role in professional scenarios where politeness is key. However, even in informal situations, using please can show respect and consideration for others. Well, that's our quick tour through the uses of please in English. Remember, it's more than just a word. It's a demonstration of politeness and respect. So, please, see what we did there. Don't forget to use it in your daily conversations. As always, practice makes perfect. Keep using please in different contexts, and soon it'll become second nature to you. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.